Look, I want you to look as stylish as possible, but I don't want you to build a whole wardrobe around it. I don't want you to spend a lot of money. I'm gonna be truthful with you. I got 2 closets, one in my home and one in the office. I can get rid of everything to just these 7 pieces and I would still look good, which is the pieces that I'm gonna recommend to you today. Let's hop into this. Number 1, a fitted white tee. This is just a standard, it's a classic. There's no way around this. You need one in your closet where you could wear with a suit, with a t-shirt, with chinos. If it fits right, it's just gonna be that versatile staple that will be timeless and you'll always look good. You also look jacked. Number 2, a heavyweight sweatsuit. This is why we added this to our essential collection. See, I believe a heavyweight sweatsuit is important because it gives you versatility. Especially when it comes to cooler months, you want something that's comfortable, that you're gonna feel good in, that keeps you warm, but more importantly, that you can wear as separates and together. See, when you wear it together, you got an athletic fit that looks good. You could separate just the top, put it on with jeans, that looks good. You could take just the bottoms, put it on with a t-shirt, that looks good. See, when you buy a suit, it's essentially one clothing item, but it gives you so much versatility in your wardrobe that it's probably one of the biggest bangs for your buck. A sweatsuit, it's almost as versatile as a regular suit, but this one you could wear 24/7. See, this is exactly why we added the heavyweight collection to essentials, because just as the name says, we design essentials, quality essentials that I know you're gonna wear today, next year, and the year after that. And our heavyweight collection, you're probably gonna wear for more than that. See, our stuff is made with a super, super heavy 3-pound fabric. This t-shirt, 14 ounces. You see this tee? You see how thick this tee is? Like, yo, we cut no corners when it comes to quality, because not only do I want you to be comfortable, look at the cool drape and an awesome fit, but this is a tee that I could probably wash 100 times and it's just not gonna wear out as fast as a regular thin tee. And now you got something thick that fits good, that looks good, and feels like quality. This collection is the hardest collection we have ever done. And now that fall and winter's here, if you don't have a sweatsuit in your wardrobe, you're gonna miss out. If you guys wanna check out, just buy one piece. Test me, buy one piece and see just how amazing it is. You're gonna wear it so much, you'll come back. Our customer return rate, it is insane for a reason. We just designed good product that I want you to check out. If you guys want to check out essentials, click the link down below. Which rolls on to number 3, which is plain white sneakers. This is just a simple one right here. Something that's simple, that's white, that you can wear with the suit, with chinos, with jeans, or with that sweatsuit. See, when it comes to boiling down your wardrobe and you're trying to be as efficient as possible, you're gonna need that one shoe that you can wear 24/7. And I have said this time and time again, my answer will probably never change. This should be your first sneaker that you should buy just because of the versatility you're gonna get from it when it comes to every single outfit. Number 4, it's a full suit. Like I just said, it's similar to a sweatsuit. See, the full suit has that power that when you need to look presentable, you're asking for money, you're going on a nice date, you're having a presentation, you're doing an interview, you wanna look powerful. A suit does that. But more importantly, it also gives you versatility. See, a suit you can break up easily. A lot of times I'll wear just the trousers with a polo, with a plain white tee, with a dress shirt. You just look more elevated than wearing regular chinos and jeans. Not as sophisticated as a full suit, but it makes you look elevated. Or you flip it around. You just take the suit jacket and you pair it with a pair of chinos just to break it down and make it more casual. The point is that a suit gives you control over any situation, whether it's super dressy or just a little bit more casual. You have total control to make sure that you arrive to a situation and you command respect. Number 5, classic cut jeans. See, I'm not talking about super loose cut that's super trendy, or definitely not anything that's skin tight. Instead, just your classic cut, nice and straight. See, this is great because you get a little bit of that trendiness, but it still fits nice, giving you more versatility so you just don't only have to stick to streetwear looks. Levi's 511s are probably my favorite when it comes to these. They're affordable. You can pick them up for about 60 bucks. They just have that nice timeless fit that's gonna look good now. It's gonna look good 10 years from now. It's in style and it's also comfortable. Now you're not skin tight and suffocated, and you can wear denim and actually breathe. Number 6, it's a top coat or a jacket. It really depends on where you live. If you live in a really cold area, I suggest a top coat just because a top coat, it looks boss. See, like with the top coat, you could pair that thing with anything. You could throw that over a tee and jeans. You could throw that over a hoodie. You could throw that over a suit. Literally, you throw a coat over any single thing, you look better. It just has the power to elevate anything you wear. I personally would prefer a camel top coat just because it's a little bit more versatile and casual than something darker. And again, you could still apply it on everything that I just mentioned. If you live in an area that maybe is not as cold, just get a jacket. It has a similar effect that as soon as you layer it on top of almost anything, you dress better. And finally, number 7, dress boots. So this one, instead of leather shoes, I went with dress boots just because I feel like it gives you more versatility. See, dress boots, when you throw them on and you put it on with a suit, it just looks like a really nice dress shoe. But it gives you the versatility to throw them on with jeans as well, and now you got more of a rugged look. Dress boots, I feel, are way more versatile than regular lace-ups, because when you throw regular lace-ups with jeans, it almost feels like it just doesn't fit right. Like, you can pull it off, but it's very hard. It doesn't fit right. When you throw boots with jeans, it's like they're just at home. You look rugged, you look tough, and let's be honest, that extra heel, that extra inch, is like, yo, who wouldn't want that? Those 7 things in your wardrobe, those are the 7 things that I mostly wear. I promise you, you scale down to that, or you buy the best of those 7, I promise you, you will always dress good. That's it for me today, boys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.